Let's see, is it going to work? Okay, now it's working. So what had happened was I was looking down like, oh, what's my timing at? And then it was like, oh, well, it's not streaming. It kind of stopped. So I guess I was just sort of talking to myself well, I'm always just talking to myself, but it was a different kind of talking to myself. So recap, I got the background thing working, and I don't know, I've got some cool filters going on. And let's see, what was I in the middle of? Oh, the cheat sheets. So just sort of some bullshit. But anyway, let's just not do that. Instead, what I want to do is I want to. Oh gosh, what is going on here? Oh, that's the laptop I just closed. So I brought my laptop out here. We had some nice fun. There was something with an alligator clip that wherever we lost. But it's the sands of internet time. So I thought that Conda isolates environments to avoid dependency hell. I thought that was the case. But maybe I'm not doing it right. Isn't it like how to initialize Conda in a directory? I don't remember how to do that. In fact, as it goes. All right. Oh, activate. That's what you do. Let's do that. I think I can just do this, to be honest with you, and I don't even have to give that second part. I think that's all I need. And then I think I can just do the activate and be there. So I think that what I want to do is, this is only going to be about 20 minutes. I'm trying to, oh, here, environment location, my env, yeah. Oh, there it is. So let's see if this works. So there's two ways of doing selection. I am in something called Tmux. And so Tmux has its own, what was I going to say? It has its own clipboard management. It is insane. If you look at it, it's just like selection start is one key, selection end is another one, paste start is another key, paste end. It is the clunkiest interface I've ever seen. And you can override it. But that is, I mean, that's what it's like with Tmux in general, is that all the default bindings are just insane. It's just, I don't know why they make them so unreasonable. Let's see if I can play just some music in the background. So now what I'm trying to do here is this guy wanted me to work on something or look into something for him. And I'm going to try to see, here, I can make myself even bigger because all of this is kind of black out right here. So this is all dead. So what I wanted to do is see if I can get the conda install pyqt, see if that works. I don't know. Oh, did I run that? I did. Okay, so now this should be like an isolated environment, right? I believe. Huh. Yeah, look at all this crap. Okay. Maybe it's gonna work. Okay, yeah, I've gone through this before. I've seen this before. Let's see what happens. Oh my God, verifying transaction. Are you doing banking stuff on here? Executing transaction. Draining account. Did that actually work? It's okay. Can I just do that? Is there requirements? I don't see it. Is there, so NumPy is a library. Do they put it in a different place these days? Oh, let's try to grep v import. And the answer that I see is no. I was thinking like so usually there's like a requirements. Is there maybe something about text? Does that exist? No, it does not. So I guess conda install NumPy. We just have to do it like manually like this. It's just kind of it's kind of sloppy, but a lot of these things are done by, as I said before, essentially children in my mind, because I'm an old guy. But let's just see. Here's all these things that I was doing beforehand, and you won't know what they are because the streaming stopped. So all of these tabs will sit in. Oh, here. Where's the Cartes one? Yeah. Oh, is that it? You're like, oh, but watch this. Commits. Cartes viewer committed. I don't believe you. Get log. What's the email address? God. Yeah, you are being like super privacy oriented about this. That's nuts. What about the very beginning? What about commit number 1? Have you always been like that? Yes, you have been. Have you ever been sloppy? The answer is Brett Olson. James Darby, I know him. I know Daniel Crude. Yes, no. It's just this guy. Or girl. Or whatever pronoun we're using these days. Let's see what we're doing here. So you want Python. Oh, I can use my nice thing. Ooh, that's so sexy. Alright, but now I'm not in my active anymore, so I have to do conda. Is it just activate? Yeah, that. And I don't know why you're not over here. So now I should be able to do this. And then, but didn't we already do that? So if I do Python 3 Cartes, no, see, it's not the same. There's some difference here. Conda activate. Right, but now it says base. Let me try this. So I do, but now I get, oh shit. Base as opposed to the directory. Oh, condo. Oh, here it is. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I can do this. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that. And I want to go into this one instead. And why can't I do that? Fantastic. Navigate to the, I have to navigate to the directory? Then do conda activate from that directory? Oh, that's bizarre. Does that second argument mean nothing? You gotta do... Oh, you're fucking kidding me. Why is that so crazy? So I have to do something like this? What? Do it twice? No, that's just bullshit. Whatever. I can do it twice. Let's try this. Oh, fuck it. Let's just do this. If I can only remember these things. So essentially what I want to do is do something like conda install CV2, anything else here? If I can, I don't know if I can spell, you know, okay, can I actually do this? PIL, it should be on here. OpenGL, PIL. I don't know. What else do I have on here? CV2, cubic spline. We'll find out. GL, we'll find out. Not available. What if I just select that one? Like this, ChatGPT can make mistakes. Yes, it can. All right. What about pip3 install CV? Oh, well that looks pretty easy. Oh. Yeah, version 32. All right. What about apt search names only CV2? Well, let's look at this one. Import CV2. Just all CV2. No, don't you fucking ignore the 2. Oh, the 2 must be a mistype. No, the 2's not a mistype. The 2's exactly what I want it to be. Oh. Alright, sure. Why not? Is that gonna work? It's always a question. NRRD, wow. This is when I was doing that. Was that? It was in there. Cool. It's kind of bizarre that I'm doing this by hand. I find that to be unusual. Usually there's tools that developers leave in order to do this. But this guy, although he's written a fuck ton of words, he hasn't given a single moment's notice to the idea that... What did I just do? Oh, NRRD. Yeah. to the idea that oh, here. Ooh, it does exist. Only needed in Windows? No, let's just do all of that. I thought that was a pretty crazy oversight. Oh, there's this way. Actually, hold on. I've got it in my. So if I do less, there's a way of doing this. And just like down in like the interactive edit. Interactive shell edit. What the fuck is it? ZSH interactive shell command edit. There's a way of doing this. I've done it before. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. No. And there's like a way to do it like in Vim or Emacs. Here it is. In Bash using escape V, right? XE. Do I not have that on here? I thought, is that not in there? I don't remember. This is, I think I went over this before, that there's this issue with all of my machines starting to sort of, there it is, that's it. They're out of sync. Some people are super organized and have like the same home directory or something like that, or some kind of crazy thing. And I've done that before, but then I kind of just abandoned it over time. I was like, oh God, I don't have the time to maintain all this crap. Anyway, doesn't matter. There it is. Hopefully I can get the tool to at least pop up on the screen. Yeah, so one of the things I went over was like the different algorithms that this background remover supports. And generally speaking, like if you're looking right at the camera, then it's good, right? But we went over this beforehand, how I'm like always kind of, oh, hold on. Ooh, I can rotate this microphone. How I'm always kind of, oh, are we not in? See, I'm supposed to already be in this, oh, here. No, it's the wrong direction. Oh, no, I'm center frame. And I'm like almost looking at it. And really, there's this thing about professional broadcasting, how you don't talk directly into the microphone. You actually talk at a slight angle of about 30 degrees right here. So this is the right way to do it, supposedly. A little bit like right here, I think. Yeah. I know that because I've been on the radio more than once. More than one station. It's funny, like, I guess being on the radio is still a big deal. It's like being on local television, you know, it's still like exciting for people that don't do that for a living. Like, oh my God, I'm on TV. Oh my God, my voice is on the radio. Okay, let's see what time it is. 6:12. I think I'm going to do this until about 6:30. Oh, that's right. I needed to do like a yes or a -1. Oh, it's done. What do you think? No, it didn't work. It didn't work at all. It's all busted. OpenGL isn't there. I think it would have been, right? I was going to say can't find it. Maybe. I don't know. Let's see what happens. I almost want to like just relax on top of the microphone. All right, so sigh. I am so disappointed in life. PyOpenGL, huh? Maybe. Oh, look. It's kind of fun because it's like, alright, OpenGL is useful for that. I don't know how OpenGL is useful for the, yeah, I don't know. How is like a Mandelbrot? Can you like accelerate that through GL? Is that possible? I didn't know that was like the kind of, I guess so. Because I'm familiar with the math behind it, and I'm familiar, I thought, with the kind of math that GPUs accelerate. I thought that that was not the same. So there's a CUDA version of it. I wonder, do you think, what is this? Is this just a make file? How are we doing this? License, readme. So, some people say if things don't get commits, they're dead projects. And I say no, sometimes they're just finished. So let me just try this. What do you think? You think this is going to work? Well, I think that if I spell things right, there's a much higher chance. Oh, I was looking for opt CUDA bins. That is not where my CUDA is at. I don't think I've got anything in opt there. I think I have a CUDA bin GPU. Locate CUDA grep bin grep GCC. I think that exists. But I don't think it's an opt. I think that's a very old school way of doing things. So let me just let that thing do its, oh my god. Oh my god, it didn't work. I know I have CUDA on here somewhere. I thought it was like in CD user lib, no. Yeah, like lib, something like that, right? Fucking A. Dpackage L. I know it's here somewhere. CUDA. Here. Oh, RC. It's got nothing. It's just a meta package. Are you gonna say? Are you gonna tell me to go fuck myself if I do this? Yeah. 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 Can I just get the listing of it? That's it? What if I just do this? I do cut delimiter space field 2, 3, xargs dpackage L. grep bin. Oh, here it is. Usual local CUDA. It's right there. So usual local CUDA. We have 12, 3, and bin. And where's GCC? Oh, you fucker. NVCC. NVCC will work, I think. Right? I think that's the NVIDIA compiler. I think that'll be fine. So I think what I can do is this. Go here. Go to CMake. CMake. Lists. Then look for the opt. And do this. NVCC. R build. Make tur build. CD build CMake dot. Oh, you motherfucker. You can't compile a test program. Well, fuck you too. Is there something in here I'm not seeing? Well, G++ is there. You also hate me. Set to a C++, yeah. Well, there's nothing here. Honey, there's nothing here. And it just goes to user bin G++. Or is there no... Have they gotten rid of that? There's bin C... What about that? What about which G++ GCC? Just do that. Ah. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is not worth my time. I thought it was just gonna work. What evs? What evs? Where are we at? That was a waste of time. Reinstalling available... available platform plugins. Initializing the application may fit. Let's just see what happens. In fact, we ran through that documentation. It might actually be there. Oh, yeah. I live in a bleeding... No, I don't. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Let's just see if I just type this into ChatGPT and whatever. Sometimes it's okay. I'm trying to figure this out. Yeah. I don't know anything. Hold on. It doesn't know a damn thing. Alright, so... Oh. LS... Huh. BD this. Looks okay. Oh. Okay, I'm just making sure that I'm attached to the X terminal. I am. This is kind of bullshit. I think this is the key insight, and I bet you just Googling this is going to be not terrible. Oh, look at that. I'm getting shit. Ooh. It says just running this seems to work fine. Oh, well, fuck off. Fuck off. Apt search Qt5. I don't think it's going to work. App default. Qt6? Uh, 2020, huh? Huh. Let's see if it's by this. Oh no, so let's do. From Brew. Yeah. Oh, these people don't know what they're doing. Well, you're down at like answer number 40. I got another one to try. Let's try this one. Just do this. Boom, boom, Debian. Yeah, it's all fine. Ooh. Look at that. There's that. Whoops. Nope. Oh. Oh, there's crap. Look at that. What time is it? Oh, I still have time. Look at all of this. Not a plugin. How lovely. I've got pagers and pagers. And it says my env bin. Yes. Yeah, why it's not an elf object. No, it's not. Why is it trying to look for? That's a weird place. So, so there's this thing, about the plugin path. That makes sense. It's just looking in weird places. Cool. So I predict that's the right solution. Yay. Let's try to see if that works. I will be back in a few seconds. Actually, since none of this stuff happened on camera beforehand, I might as well show what's going on. So I've got this filters. It's kind of cool. And if I turn this thing off, turn this one off, then we get back to normal. And I could just have that. But then, of course, with the microphone right here, it's blocking out. So I don't quite know what to do, because I want this thing to be included. I don't know. There's something else that needs to be done. Maybe I need to paint this thing like a penis or something for it to figure it out. Let's see. Is there anything else I could... Let's see. I wonder... actually, let me try this. No, I'm not actually going to do what I propose. But if I do something like that and interrupt the color spec... No, it has no idea. So it's not about that. I think it's about motion. Is it motion detection? I don't know how these algorithms work. Anyway, I think it's better if I do that with the chroma key. And there's also this weird scroll option. So I can sort of like look like this. And I could do that with the background removal. I think like move like a blur on there. And then it'll look like that. So now, I'm pretty sure this exporting of the plugin is going to work, but I will be right back. So there's these features here in YouTube Studio. I'm guessing if you have like an audience, you'd be able to see stuff here. But oh, that's right. The background removal is a bad name for it. I didn't actually go over background removal. Any way I can edit it? Do it later. Was it down here? Yeah. So I can just do something like terrible hacking. From a hack. And there's my names. That's pretty cool. So what else? Let's see. I was gonna do. Yes, I'm snacking. That's something you should not do. Like rules. Big rule that you shouldn't be doing is like eating during this type of stuff. Tone mapping. What does that do? Oh, this is like some kind of subtle thing. For people who want like beauty filters. That's not me. Then we can do. Oh, I saw some like angular thing. Oh, image SDR video. I have no idea. No idea what I was doing beforehand, which is there. Then it was this one. Okay. There's all these other plugins for this, so I can go to over here, do OBS plugins, and there's a bunch. I mean, there is no lack of things. And but then there's this filter thing that you can do, which I guess you can. Oh, what about? I haven't done it by downloads yet. Oh wow! Look at how many people use this stuff. 3 million. That's quite a bit. Well, these subgroups on the internet, I'm always amazed how big they are. You know, you think about how many users there are for something. You think, I don't know, 10,000, 20,000. But then you look, there's like millions, just millions of people. Like, what does that mean? That not only what is this? I don't know. What is this for? Virtual cam. Virtual direct show device. Oh, it's a Windows thing. Alright. Yeah, it's okay. You don't need that. It's really easy. So we can do. Oh, so a lot of these things is because you can, on Linux it's super easy to do this. You can just make it as a virtual video, and it's trivial. But I guess that's not something you can do in Windows. Custom shaders. Oh, you can pay money of all things. Move sources and settings. What is this? Using WebSockets. What do I need that thing for? Yeah. Bongo Cat. No, it's a meme thing for video game streamers. I guess people do it with music. Yeah. I guess it's I mean, the 3 million thing does make sense because there's a whole industry of people who are streamers and they play video games, I guess. And I know that's huge. So I'm kind of in the minority because I don't play any games. Anyway, let's see if this thing works. This thing that I'm so excited about, apparently. Or I'm supposed to be excited about. So over here I see it says just do this. So I need to find that directory here. And I'm going to do that just by doing like find. There's this FZF that I never use. Plugins. Ooh. Slash. CAN bus. What the fuck's CAN bus doing on here? Can't be CAN bus. Peak CAN bus, it is. CAN bus is used like in vehicles. It's very strange. So my env slash plugins. Okay. So let's try that. Let's do. Oh, that's right. It's because of this damn thing. So it's pwd my env plugins. Not a plugin. Not a plugin. See, it's not found. It's the same thing. Let's try this. Let's try to just give this thing something completely wrong. So now I'm actually giving it like a temp path. That should not work at all. And now, see, it's still trying to look for these other things. Yeah, so it's not actually. So there is no temp in here that's looking at it, which means the Qt plugin path isn't part of it. So there's something having to do with. Oh, this is hard. Wait, is it using my current directory? Let me see. Make directory bullshit. And nope. Bin is a weird place for this thing, right? I mean, this is an apple, by the way. A very juicy apple. It's getting everywhere. Well, it seems to be there, right? So these files do exist. I don't know, is it like some kind of indecisiveness? I don't see this thread error as necessarily part of the cause. Let me see if I can. Hold on. Ooh, I'm over here now. I don't think this is necessarily it. I think it's like. Maybe. Maybe. Something like this. Stepping stone. Maybe I need to install that. I don't know what XCB is, but perhaps if I put it on there, it'll be a little bit less persnickety about it. Looks to be pretty extensive. Oh, XC binding, is that what it means? What about dev? Is there a dev up there? No. Same shit. All those weird things. Oh. What about this? So right now what I'm doing here is Conda. What about something like this? Oh my God. That's what I want 99% of the time. I don't know why this is so. So we can do, maybe if I just do that. I know it's on there. Is this X thing on it? Super QT. QT6. Yeah, I don't think so. Man. I have no idea. I don't know. It's just not working. Maybe there's something I've got over here that's confusing it. So what I'm doing right now is I'm seeing if there's any kind of export of nope. The idea is that there might Pyan shouldn't have a problem here. So I think Conda. Man, I don't know. Go back to documentation. See if I missed anything. Really? So, but that shouldn't work. I mean, I can. same bug. You're not going to work. I don't think so. Is it? That was it? That's all I needed to do. And look at that. The application works. There was I was doing it through Conda. Because I already went down that route, right? And it didn't work for me. I think it was I think I was doing it with Conda. I think that's why. It's pretty nice. It's a nice red background. Anyway, so now I have the application up and running. And the next step is to go through demo and then check on these tickets and see what's going on there. So I think that's it. Look, I'm giant. It's kind of fun. All right. Well, that's about it. I'm going to get going. Bye-bye.